In today's video, I will walk you through how to change Discord nickname in a server. Want to get most out of this tutorial? Sign up using the link in the description below, and let's jump right in. First, open Discord and enter the server where you want to change your nickname. At the top left, click the server name and open the drop-down menu. From the menu, select Edit Server Profile. This opens the profile settings specifically for that server. Find the nickname field and enter the name you want to use. Remember, your nickname is server-specific, so changing it here won't affect your name in other servers. Once you've entered your new nickname, click Save Changes. Your new nickname should now appear next to your messages and in the server's member list. If you don't see Edit Server Profile or the nickname option is unavailable, you may not have permission to change your nickname. In that case, contact a server moderator or administrator. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Discord nickname for a specific server. And that's how to change Discord nickname in a server. Click the link on the description below. Thank you for watching the video.